Welcome to the New Mexico Department of Health COVID-19 vaccination training. This training is a requirement for all clinical volunteers and was developed in partnership with the New Mexico Department of Health, the New Mexico Immunization Coalition, several nurses, physicians, and pharmacists. We hope you enjoy this training and that you receive the review and guidance that you need to hold a successful and safe COVID-19 vaccination clinic. We appreciate you taking the time to watch. This training is intended as a review for anyone who will be administering vaccine during a mass COVID-19 vaccination clinic. That includes nurses, pharmacists, EMTs, physicians, community volunteers, and any health sciences students who will be administering vaccine. Please know that this training is necessary for all participants, whether you have participated in many vaccination clinics or if this is your first time. This training will provide an overview of COVID-19 vaccine, how to screen patients for contraindications to COVID-19 vaccine, proper storage and handling, vaccine administration, possible side effects and emergency procedures, and some tips for holding a successful COVID-19 vaccination clinic. The first part of this training will provide a quick overview of COVID-19 vaccination during the COVID-19 pandemic. This year, COVID-19 vaccine will be extremely important to slow the spread of COVID-19 and ultimately get this pandemic under control. In New Mexico, over 3,000 people have died from COVID-19. Many thousands have been hospitalized and over 150,000 were sickened. This year, we continue to see a huge surge of cases of COVID-19. Vaccination is our best defense to protect our communities from this disease. For the latest numbers, visit the New Mexico COVID website, cv.nmhealth.org/COVID-vaccine. Our challenge this year will be to safely immunize as many people as possible against COVID-19, to do it as quickly as possible, and to do it while maintaining proper safety precautions, such as wearing masks and maintaining physical distancing. To begin, only the highest risk healthcare workers and residents and staff of long-term health care facilities will be vaccinated. The next tier of people includes those who are aged 75 and older, those with chronic health conditions, and some essential workers. The only vaccines available currently in the U.S. are Pfizer and Moderna, the two mRNA vaccines. Other vaccines will become available soon as they complete their phase 3 trials and as they are deemed effective and safe by the FDA. A key to vaccinating efficiently and being mindful of the tiers, New Mexico Department of Health has developed an online registration system. This allows Department of Health to invite registrants to sign up for an appointment as they become available and as the patient becomes eligible. Many providers will be holding special COVID-19 clinics, such as drive-through clinics or clinics that will be vaccinating patients in the parking lot without needing them to come into the waiting room. Once vaccine is plentiful, we will be encouraging providers to offer COVID-19 vaccine at every visit, no matter what the appointment. And pharmacies will play a critical role in getting our population vaccinated against COVID-19. The two vaccines that are currently approved for emergency use in the United States are the two mRNA vaccines made by Pfizer and Moderna. While similar in mechanism, there are slight differences in the age specification, the dose interval, and the storage requirements. The Pfizer vaccine must be kept at ultra-low temperatures and is a 2-dose series given 21 days apart. It can be given to persons 16 years of age and older. The Moderna vaccine is kept frozen but at regular freezer temperatures. It is also a 2-dose series given 28 days apart. It can be given to persons age 18 and older. Both vaccines are administered intramuscularly, as are the other vaccines that are currently in trial. All healthcare providers participating in any COVID-19 vaccination clinic must have completed and reviewed OSHA bloodborne pathogens and HIPAA trainings. These are required for participating in any community health event. If you have not had these trainings, you can take them online at no charge through New Mexico Train. We will also provide a link at the end of this training to these websites. Because these are new vaccines, CDC is especially concerned that there be close tracking of side effects. All patients should be informed of the tracking app vSafe and encourage them to sign up. The app uses a smartphone sign-up and will prompt the patient by text to log in and report any side effects for the first 7 days after getting vaccinated, and then weekly. It will also remind the patient to return for their second dose. In addition, all patients will be given an immunization card that will list the type of vaccine they received and the date. At this point, both first and second dose must be the same brand of vaccine. All information about doses administered must be entered into NMSIS within 72 hours of administration.